So let's take a look at Explain Everything and how we can use Explain Everything to develop students' digital literacy skills and looking at websites. So I'm going to click on the plus sign at the top and I'm going to start a new doc. I'll just start with the white one. Now this is one of the new features of Explain Everything that I really like. You can see the plus sign there. I can actually insert into my document a web browser. Now, what I normally do is I normally type in google.com just to get the web browser up and running. And today we're going to do a study. I'll just type in here the famous poet Walt Whitman. There he is there. And we're going to bring up the Wikipedia page. Now, when I want to resize my window, one of the things I need to do is I need to press the little tool at the top, which is the little finger pressing on it. That allows me then to resize and position my web browser in my document. So we brought up one website for Walt, and we're also going to go in and do that again. We can do multiple web browsers. Once again, just type in google.com, just to click in. I'll type in Walt again. And this time I'll go to a different website. I'm just going to go down here to the poets.org website, and I'll just resize that. You can see that's pretty quick. And now what we've got, or what the students have, hopefully if we can get the students to do this, is we've got two websites that we can compare and contrast and look at the source of the data, the reliability of the data, but also we can also get students to actually be researching this famous poet as well. So using Explain Everything again, we can get the students to anecdote over the top. Might just check it red here. We can look here and look at the times when he was born, and we can actually compare those two. And I can do a little compare and contrast. I can do a positive minus there if I've got a discrepancy in relation to the data. I could even type in there and actually start typing some of my facts in there. And just position that around here so I can actually do the typing and do my research. This would be a fantastic way for teachers to see students and how they go about researching and looking at reliable sources and looking at digital literacies and all those sort of things. So really quick tutorial here looking at multiple web browsers within Explain Everything. Can I just mention one thing before I go? You can see that I'm pinched up the top and I can do the resizing of my web browser there. To actually activate the web page to go up and down, I need to double tap on the actual web browser here. I'll move that out of the way, and now you can actually see that my actually web browser within it actually works. Double click on the other one and I can do the same one and scroll, click on links and so forth. So it's a wonderful new feature of Explain Everything, and this is just a quick lesson to show you how easy it would be for students to demonstrate their research skills and how they go about finding reliable sources.